Guys, I have a new fire alarm. We removed some of the packaging, but I will give you a hint. It is a rebrand. Come on. Open up. Alright. Sorry if the camera seems a little moving, like dancing a lot. Alright. We're going to have to peel it off here, and we are gonna remove it. There it is. Radionics D571S. We will save this packaging, or at least I will maybe save that packaging for something else, even though I am not going to use it immediately. Now, I am excited. My mother and father said that was my last fire alarm that I'm going to get from them, and not even panels. Alright. Let's open it. Sorry if I'm not shooting the camera correctly, but let's just open it. Lines. There we go. Wait a minute. It is a Wheelock 8S. Is it not? With the Radionics sticker. Now I get it. Yes, it is a Radionics fire alarm. However, it was rebranded from Wheelock and has the Radionics sticker. It probably would cover up the Wheelock. I'm not sure if the sticker just covers the Wheelock logo or the Wheelock logo is totally absent from it. Wait. We got screw with the painted top. And we got more. Those are mounted screws. The screw for the long screw is actually a screw for the mounting plate. And let me see if there are jumpers. Look, there are. See? There are jumpers. Let me show you again. Right. It is currently set to medium volume code 3. Now, for Wheelock fire alarms starting with an AS, remove the jumper here, and it will play continuous horn. There it comes. So you can push it back in, And you can remove the jumper here for low, medium, or high. Like this. Let me show you the jumper. Right, hold on a second. Like, it was these two that would be low, and these other two settings would be, or these two circuits would be medium volume. The last two will be high volume, or it may be vice versa. Low volume this one, low volume that one. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time, and goodbye. Also, I have confessed about my things that I've done that could have gotten me to trouble to the CLG Wiki. But I decided I'm not going to quit. I'm not going to quit until I am banned. Here is another look at the back here. You see it's got two screw terminals with the famous square pushers, whatever they are, and these are the mounting plates, and it says there positive, negative, or negative and positive. Then I swear it said something about code 3. Warning: to prevent electric shock, do not remove this cover. No user servable parts inside. See there? Now, here is the, yeah. So, I was right the first time. The current here is positive, or sorry, negative. Here is positive. Here is model number, current, and rating, and other stuff you can see. Well, now it is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Goodbye.